Who knew stuffed toys could talk? I have a stuffed toy. It meows and it moves. And it's furry and fluffy. Oh, don't meow. You're a stuffed toy. Meow. 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 Aww. I know he shook. He's alive. So my stuffed toy is moving. Dang it. Where is he? My stuffed toy. Meow. My stuffed toy is so stupid. One day, he knows how to speak English. I'm gonna go up to him and say, "Why are you so stupid?" Be like, "Son, ooh, why are you so stupid? Why so retarded? Why do you meow? I don't. Why don't you speak English? How do you understand me? Because I can speak cattyish. Yeah. I didn't know cats can talk. Or dogs. I love them. $5 foot long. $5. $5. $5 foot long. Excuse me, Ma. I have an old stuffed toy too. You wanna see him? Or her? She's at the window. Right there. Right there. Isn't she a fat? She's really grumpy sometimes. She's my stuffed animal too. Well, now you know stuffed animals can move and talk, but not speak English. Bye.